Artificial intelligence, or AI, is about creating machines that can think, learn, and solve problems like humans. It's intelligence demonstrated by machines. AI is transforming our world, making everyday tasks easier and solving complex global challenges. It's enhancing efficiency across countless industries. The dream of intelligent machines dates back centuries, but the term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956. Early pioneers laid the groundwork. Modern AI is built on several key pillars, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, each with unique capabilities. Machine learning is a core AI branch where computers learn from data without explicit programming. They identify patterns and make predictions. In supervised learning, AI learns from labeled data, where inputs are paired with correct outputs. Think of it as learning from an answer key. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data, finding hidden patterns or groupings on its own. It's like finding connections without prior examples. Reinforcement learning involves an agent learning through trial and error, receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones, optimizing its behavior over time. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks process complex data in multiple layers. NLP allows machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's how computers communicate with us, from translation to voice assistance. Computer vision enables machines to see and interpret the visual world. It allows them to recognize objects, faces, and understand images and videos. AI powers intelligent robots, enabling them to perceive their environment, make decisions, and perform complex physical tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. The fuel for AI is data. The more diverse and quality data an AI system is trained on, the smarter and more accurate it becomes. From personalized recommendations on streaming services to self-driving cars and medical diagnostics, AI is integrated into countless aspects of our daily lives. As AI advances, we must address ethical concerns like bias in algorithms, data privacy, and job displacement, ensuring AI benefits all of humanity. The future of AI holds immense potential, promising breakthroughs in science, healthcare, and beyond. It will continue to reshape industries and societies. You've taken your first step into understanding artificial intelligence. It's a powerful and evolving field that will continue to shape our future profoundly. The future of AI is constantly evolving. We're seeing rapid advancements in areas like generative AI, which can create new content like images or text, and more sophisticated human-AI collaboration. The goal isn't to replace humans, but to augment our capabilities, allowing us to achieve things previously unimaginable. It's a journey of continuous learning and innovation. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to artificial intelligence. From its definition and types to its core technologies, real-world applications, and the crucial ethical considerations, we've covered the fundamentals. The world of AI is vast and exciting, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Keep exploring, keep learning.